So here we are, day 2 in Hawaii. We've been hanging out, just chilling. Yesterday we hit the lagoon, hit the pool. Now we're gonna explore a little bit, do a little shopping, maybe hit Duke's restaurant. I love the food there. They have one in Huntington Beach. The one here is really good. It's on the beach. So we're gonna hit that place, do some shopping in between, a little shopping after, then head back to the hotel, hit the beach, get ready for the fireworks show, and just relax. Okay, now we're leaving Waikiki Beachwalk, gonna head to get some breakfast. We're going to Waffles and Berry. Just found it up on Google. We're almost there, about 5 more minutes. Hopefully this place is delicious. We'll go check it out. What does it say? Aloha. Okay, so now we're shopping at the International Marketplace. It's like an indoor-outdoor mall. There's a bunch of different stores in here. Some grass areas. How you doing, sir?
What's up? I want to go in there.
What is it?
So it's like a thing that you lay on, and I don't know the rest.
Let's go look at it. Oh, looks like a massage bed.
Sauna. Huh?
It's a sauna? Looks like it, huh? A sauna bed?
Could I do it?
I don't know. I don't think this is for kids. I want to go to O'Neill so I can get one of those like wetsuit things. So you go in the ocean and you can like go in cold water and still be warm. I've never had one. I've never tried one. I want to try to find a good deal on one. Maybe even you would like one. So that's the store I want to go to. I know they said they want to go to Lululemon. I want to go to lunch at Duke's. After that, the game place. After that, I'm ready to head back to the hotel in a little bit after lunch. So far, my quick review of Hawaii. It's been great. I've only been to Oahu. I've never been to Maui or the Big Island or Kauai. Some of the other places people suggest and recommend to go. But as far as Oahu and Waikiki is concerned, I like it for my little one because there's a lot of things to do. There's a lot going on to keep them entertained. Also, you still get the relaxation. It's just probably more overcrowded. There's a lot of people, but I'm used to that. I'm used to the city atmosphere, so that doesn't bother me. I really like the atmosphere though because it's very tropical, the weather's good, it's very peaceful, it's really quiet. It doesn't really give me the high energy party atmosphere. It's more of a relaxing, hey, let's just stroll, let's take it easy. We don't have an itinerary, we're just kind of rolling as we go and figuring out what we want to do on the fly. So it's been pretty good. I'm really enjoying the trip, so let's see how the rest of this trip goes. And I'll keep you guys posted. Bam.
International Marketplace, everybody.
That's right, the coolest guy in Hawaii.